Meaning of indie.
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 Indie. The term indie is a shortened form of independent and generally refers to artistic or cultural works that are created outside the mainstream commercial industry. Typically, indie music, film, and publishing are produced by smaller companies or individuals with limited resources and without the backing of major studios or corporations. The indie movement arose as a response to the homogenization and commercialization of popular culture, and it values authenticity, creativity, and individuality above mass appeal. Today, indie has become more of a genre in and of itself, with its own recognizable styles and aesthetics.